Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to replace the battery on a Honda Smart Key. What I have right here is a Honda Smart Key, and the battery replacement for this is actually really simple. Firstly, you need to remove the actual key portion. So I'm just going to slide this lever this way and pull the key out. Now, when you've pulled the key out, you can see that you have access to the inside of the Smart Key. Now, you can use a screwdriver or a pry tool for this, but I just use my fingers. I basically get one finger on each side and I just pry it apart, just pull it apart just like that. You're going to have to use a little bit of force if you use your fingers, but it's a really simple process. Now, as you can see right here, we've actually exposed the battery. Now, you can see it's a CR2032 3-volt battery. CR2032. And it is rated at 3 volts. So we're going to remove this. Now, once again, you can use your finger or you can use a tool. I'm just going to try and pop it out with my finger. I actually have a tool right beside me, but we'll see if I can just pry it out. Nope. So I'm actually just going to use this screwdriver right here. So I have a little screwdriver, and what you can do is pry this out. So you're going to have to put some pressure and then pop it out of place just like that. So once again, I use the screwdriver, and then you can remove the battery. Then all that you have to do is replace it with a new battery. Now, for this video tutorial, I actually still have a working battery. So I'm going to be putting this one back in. But obviously, if you're replacing the battery with a new battery, you are going to get a new battery and put it in. So to put it in, it's very simple. You'll notice that there's a little contact right there. You're going to slide it in that way. And I mean, it's fairly easy. You slide in that way and you just push it down. It clips into place. And then all that you have to do is just reinstall everything. So we're going to get this side of the remote and line it up. It's fairly easy. Just line it up again so we have the rectangular portion over here without the indents. It goes right over here. Simply press it together. So once again, just click it down together. And you're going to look around and make sure that it's all clicked into place. And then you just want to get the key, which is right here. And then you want to reinstall the key, which is just to simply put it in there. Just like that. And then click it down into place. Just like that. It's a very simple process. That is how to replace the battery on a Honda Smart Key. Very simple process. Once again, this is a key for a CRV, but there are many other Honda models that use the same type of key. So this will work with a key that looks like this, whether it's for a CRV or for a different Honda car or SUV or truck. And that's it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial. It's been simple and straightforward. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.